The view of the afterlife, or the absence of such beliefs, has been a central theme in human thought throughout history. Various cultures and philosophies have proposed differing interpretations of what happens after death, influencing how individuals live and understand their existence. The beliefs surrounding the afterlife can shape moral frameworks, provide comfort, or provoke existential anxiety. Conversely, the absence of a defined afterlife can lead to a focus on the present, prompting individuals to seek meaning and fulfillment in their current lives. Many religious traditions offer rich narratives about the afterlife. For instance, in Christianity, the concepts of heaven and hell provide a moral framework that encourages followers to live virtuously in the hope of eternal reward or to avoid eternal punishment. Similarly, in Hinduism and Buddhism, the cycle of reincarnation underscores the importance of karma and ethical living, as one's actions in this life influence future existences. These beliefs can instill a sense of purpose, guiding individuals toward a life of virtue and compassion. In contrast, some philosophical schools, particularly existentialism and certain strands of secular humanism, reject the notion of an afterlife. Existentialists argue that life is inherently meaningless without an afterlife, but this absence allows individuals to create their own meaning through actions, relationships, and experiences. This perspective emphasizes personal responsibility and the importance of living authentically. Without the promise of an afterlife, the focus shifts to the present, urging individuals to make the most of their time and to seek fulfillment in the here and now. The absence of a defined afterlife can also lead to a sense of urgency. When individuals recognize that life is finite, they may feel compelled to pursue their passions and engage deeply with the world around them. This awareness can foster a greater appreciation for relationships, experiences, and the beauty of existence itself. The fleeting nature of life becomes an impetus to live fully, encouraging individuals to savor each moment and to create lasting memories. However, the lack of belief in an afterlife can also provoke existential anxiety. The uncertainty surrounding death and what lies beyond can lead to feelings of despair and disconnection. Those who grapple with these questions may find themselves seeking answers in various ways, whether through philosophy, art, or personal reflection. The quest for meaning in a finite existence can become a driving force, leading to profound insights and personal growth. Cultural attitudes toward death and the afterlife can also influence how individuals cope with loss. In cultures that emphasize an afterlife, death may be viewed as a transition rather than an end. This perspective can provide comfort to those grieving, as they believe their loved ones have moved on to a better place. On the other hand, in cultures that lack such beliefs, death may be perceived as a finality, prompting individuals to confront the reality of loss more directly. This confrontation can lead to a deeper understanding of life and a renewed appreciation for the time shared with loved ones. Moreover, the view of the afterlife can shape ethical frameworks and societal norms. Beliefs in accountability beyond this life can encourage moral behavior and community cohesion. Conversely, the absence of an afterlife can prompt individuals to find ethical grounding within the context of this life alone, focusing on the well-being of others and the impact of their actions on the present world. Ultimately, the question of the afterlife, or the lack thereof, invites deep reflection on the nature of existence. Whether one subscribes to a belief in an afterlife or embraces a more secular perspective, the contemplation of mortality can lead to a richer understanding of life. Engaging with these ideas can inspire individuals to explore their values, seek meaning, and connect more profoundly with the world around them. In conclusion, the views on the afterlife vary widely, influencing how individuals live and perceive their existence. Beliefs in an afterlife can provide comfort and moral guidance, while the absence of such beliefs can foster a focus on the present and personal responsibility. Regardless of one's stance, the exploration of mortality encourages a deeper engagement with life, prompting individuals to seek meaning, cultivate relationships, and appreciate the fleeting moments that make up the human experience.